unless nalapho you're not comfortable. You've hired me to come and shoot Leia game there.
Yes.
So come shoot this game kuza executive ye Thokoza LFA.
Yes.
Bazon stop bangaba baza because there was a previous post ye game yakho against Real Tigers extension 2.
Yes.
Where yaphela ama-fans are sold to rave.
Yes.
And because vele bengishuta leya game bengicasela ukuthi ngishute
vele mose ndithi ushuta ama-ninja vele.
Yeah, bengishuta ama-ninja vele. So mangishuta kuyaliwa mase kusliwa mina vele ngifika because umqasho uyazi ukuthi okay leya i-photographer YouTube channel ngawo. So mina ngiya-upload izinto zami and then I'm sharing a post on Facebook. There was a post esharewa ngomunye ubaba akomenta kuyo lento yale fight ukuthi we supposed to ukuthi sibheke ngamehlo a serious into yokuthi ama officials aya attack ema grounding nani. And so I comment mina saying ukuthi this is a tough job, especially for us Tinama photographers, because when we capture these moments ama organizers ayas attack. Saying ukuthi sibulala igama le tournament yabo because siveza ukungcola oko yabo. So it happened by the time bekudlala iBayern nawe, and then I was shooting, I think I was like 2 minutes game iqalile mabesiza bazongistopisa. They even said ukuthi bazokudisqualify if ever I stop camera. So ngistop camera ngiza kuwe, and then only to find out ukuthi i-communication kangibeko from i-preparations to say if ever i-team izoza ne-photographer kumele undlule kuma-steps so of which yasiphazamisa kakhulu le nto leya.
Isiphazamisile ngoba okokuqala is not the first time vele apha adlala khona amaninja lokho khona. Isikhathi esininzi uloko khona siloko sisebenzisa wena, and then I think kune incident eyayike yenzeka
Greenfield
okuse ground and then I think nguwe umuntu wayivezayo ukuthi kwenzeka
penalty
indaba ye-penalty. Indaba ye-penalty so zange ibe issue ngaka cause waye wanceda pha waye kwabonakala ubunyani, and then kwinto yokubana ngaba ama-organizer athi azokhupha i-team yami kwi-tournament. So ilando ndathi into engekhoyo ke leyo cause unless bibi khona kuma-rules lonto leyo cause thina xa sihamba thina ngihlezi ngisitsho nasema-groupini mina nithi thina sine-commentator yethu, sinomuntu wethu osishutelayo i-photography yethu. So mina ndaye ndashocked into yokubana ngaba ndibone kukhutshwa umuntu wethu wamakhamera ngaphandle, but